Hello, Davida here. Welcome back and good day to you. So I wanted to do another cloud pearl pour. So let me show you what colors I'm working with today. I am going to use Liquitex Basics, and this is, I think it's pronounced Pyrrole Red. And this is a very yummy looking color. You can see what the consistency is. It's thin. Now, I did change my recipe again because I'm experimenting to see which is going to give the best results. I'm also using some Artist Loft Black. Georgie. Okay, we can see that also is very thin. Okay, so we're going to do a puddle right in the middle. And we're going to move that around, but we're not going to go off the edges. Here we go. All right. So we want a thick ribbon. And we're going to do this black, the red now. And let's turn this way. Okay. Let's see, where do I want to put this? Let's put it kind of toward the center. Alrighty, take a deep breath. Here we go. And I'm just trying to spread it out just a little. You know what? Let's torch it first. Now, I can already see that there may be an issue. Because unlike the last pour, where the black sunk and we had like a shadow on the edges, I don't see this on this particular pour. So I'm not sure if it's going to do what I want it to do. All right, well, let's see what happens. It's flowing very nicely. And let's just try to thin it out as much as possible. See if we can get any pearls to pop up. You know, I'm almost I am so used to using larger canvases. So when I practice on these smaller canvases, this is a 12 by 12. I'm not really getting the composition that I want. I'm just used to having so much room, with so much more room to move the paint around. But we're starting to get some action here in the black. Not so much in the red. And the black was heavier, as you can see from the run test, because it ran a tad bit slower than the red. But it is a different paint brand. So, I don't know. That's the purpose of these experiments, to see which paints work with which pouring medium, the amount of water, how much you move it around. All of that you got to take in consideration when you're experimenting. So I'm going to let it do its thing for a minute here, and we'll be back. Okay, so we're back, and we see that I did not get the reaction that I wanted. A lot of reaction with the black, hardly any with the red. So what I'm going to do is, and I don't know if that's because the red was layered on the black. So let's see. Let's do one with red only and see what happens. Okay, let's try this. Let's hope we have enough paint. This is what happens when you mix your paint in a jug. In a jug, the little dried up pieces fall down, and gotta make sure you get them when you see them. I thought I saw something else. Okay, so let's try red by itself. See if we get anything. All right, fingers crossed. Here we go. Let's torch it. Although I don't really see anything. You see a little bit of shading here, a little bit there. So maybe we'll get some pearls. We will see. Not going for any particular composition. Just trying to get paint on the board so we can see what happens. Okay, that looks kind of cool. Let's see. Now the thing is, if it was a good reaction with the base, sales would have popped up like that. So I really don't think we're going to get anything on this one. At least nothing that I'm looking for. Excuse me, but we'll give it a couple of minutes and see. I shall return.